Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to fix startup repair couldn't repair your PC for Windows 10 or 11. But before watching this video tutorial, please subscribe on Videos YouTube channel. So let's start our video tutorial. Here are 5 easy ways to solve startup repair couldn't repair your PC problem on Windows 10 or 11. At Windows logo screen, press F12 key repeatedly to go to advanced options, or press and hold down shutdown button on Windows 10 or 11 logo screen until the PC shut down. Turn on PC again and repeat this process one more time. On the next turning on your PC for boot up, you should go to recovery options. Click advanced options, then click troubleshoot. After that, click advanced options. Method 1. Open command prompt. Now click command prompt. Type sfc/scannow and press enter. Method 2. Choose system restore. If first method does not fix the problem, then select system restore from advanced options and try to solve the problem. Method 3. Uninstall Windows updates may be latest updates not installed correctly, so reinstall Windows updates by clicking uninstall updates from advanced options. Method 4. Remove faulty hard drive. Replace your faulty hard drive which can cause the problem. Go to C drive where the Windows is installed and right click on it and then choose properties. Go to tools and click check under error reporting. Method 5. Reset PC. Finally, reset the PC while selecting keeping file save if all other methods could not fix the problem. Please subscribe on Videos channel. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.